welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea, and today I'm just going to quickly show you my Positive Papercraft sketch entry for this week, which is week 3. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, follow the link below. Positive Papercraft Craft Forum is a forum on Facebook. It's run by Anne Melvin of Positive Papercraft. She also has a channel on YouTube and a blog, positivepapercraft.co.uk. And I'm one of the admin there, and I run the weekly sketch challenge at the moment, and I try to film the video. A different one goes up every Friday. You're more than welcome to come and join in. At the end of the month, it's just for fun, but at the end of the month we're going to tot up all the entries through the month, and whoever's entered the most will get a little gift from myself or Anne. It might just be a little card, it could be some paper samples, it could be anything. So this is the sketch today, and it does have measurements on this one. It's by OWH, whatever that is, and it's got a mat, an oval, something going across, and a little circle there. I was going to cut out an oval and have like a card that had a layer over the top, but I changed my mind, and I'm going with butterflies again. I think I had butterflies last week. I'm hooked on butterflies at the minute. I promise I won't do butterflies next week. So I started off with, my base is a 6 by 4 3/4, and then I've got a Highland Heather piece which measures 5.5 by 4 1/4. I'm just going to make it because it's so straightforward, this card. So that's Highland Heather layer going on. I've had some customers, would you believe? It's been amazing. It's nice to see other people buying stuff and enjoying Stampin' Up. And then on top of that, I'm using this, which is from the free paper with Celebration. Spend £45. You can get this whole stack free, and it's really gorgeous. And this is 5 by 3 3/4, and that's going to go on next. Most of these butterfly ones have got black and white prints on the back, so you can colour them in or just use them as monochromes, background papers, and pop that on there. And then for my oval, I've cut using the largest stitch shaped framelets. I've used the ovals obviously, and my oval more or less measures the same as what it says on the sketch. And then I've gone the size down and cut one out of white as well, and then I've stamped Hello Beautiful on it using the, just a minute, I'll just find the stamps that I used. Using Part of My Story. No, not using Part of My Story. Using, just a minute. I'll find out what I used in a minute. Yeah, using the Butterfly Gala stamp set. I used Hello Beautiful from here, and I stamped it using Highland Heather ink. So that's that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this down onto this using glue. I do always recommend people buy the stitch shape framelets, because from my personal perspective, I use them all the time. They're really versatile. You get circles, squares, and they nest, and yeah, they're just great. So I'm going to pop that in the middle of there. I'm not using any dimensionals for that. And then there's the strip. The strip again, I've just cut a little flag into mine. It's the same size as the one they recommend. So that's why my Hello Beautiful's higher up, because I'm going to pop that on there. Now, it's not going to, I'm not going to put any glue on the end here because it'll make it look a bit crazy, so I'm just going to pop that on there. So it's just glued there, and that just gives it a little bit of dimension there as well. And then my little circle, what I've done is I've cut Highland Heather and Whisper White using the scallop punches, the 1 3/8 and the 1 1/8 scallop punches. And I'm going, again, I'm keeping it flat. I'm just going to pop some glue on the back of there and pop it on there. And then I'm just going to, whoops, didn't stick very well that, did it? Give it a chance, don't think. And I'm just going to pop some glue on the back, more on one side than the other, because again it's going to lift off a little bit. And I'm just going to position that there. See what I mean? If you glue that side down, it'd like push down and it wouldn't stand off the card. And then what I did was I used the butterfly punch here to cut out one of the butterflies from this DSP. So I've cut out this orange one. I thought it'd be a nice contrast with the purple. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop some glue onto one side of that, and I'm just going to stick the wing down there onto the circle. Okay, and let it stand up on the other side. Black and white stripes on this side. Probably would have been nice to do two and back them together. And then what I've done here is I've used the butterfly set again. Still haven't got the right one. Where is it? It's over there. Yeah, I've used the butterfly set again. This one. And I've used that to just stamp out two. I've used Highland Heather, and I've just stamped out two of the little butterflies and punched them out using the butterfly punch. And all I'm going to do is just bend them up, and I'm just going to stick those on as well onto the little band. So I'm just going to put a bit of glue on one wing. I'm just going to have one flying that way. In fact, I think I'll have them all flying the same way, because should I have one coming back? No, I'll have one coming back this way. So I'll put the glue on the other wing for that one. I'll have that one coming back that way. And there we go. And that is that. That's my card done. Let me zoom in a little bit. How pretty is that? And how easy was that? I much prefer that one to last week's Colour Riot. But yeah, using a sketch, it just gets you thinking. Got the basic elements there, but the only thing I've changed is I've just nicked into that, and I've put double layers on these, and I've just added the butterflies. You can add some wing Castelli, you can put little diamonds on, do whatever you want. But that is the basic sketch. So thanks for joining me for that, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.